Oh, so hello guys. Good morning, good evening, or whatever time you're watching from. So I'm coming live from Nairobi. Yes, I'm coming live from Nairobi. Let me just hold this one. So I'm coming live from Nairobi, and I want to take you on tour around this beautiful Green Park bus terminus. Yeah. So this one is the entrance. This one is the entrance. Yeah, then you can see around. So they were doing some test drive on sometimes back. Yeah. They wanted to use this one so that to reduce. We have a stage. We have a bus stage around that's the city or the CBD. So they wanted to use this one as the bus terminal. Yeah, also, so this one is just beautiful project done under that's the general body, that's the Nairobi Metropolitan. Yeah, Nairobi Metropolitan Service. That's the NMS. Yeah, so you can see how the beautiful, just where people sit round. So they did some pilot testing drive sometimes back. Yeah, when something is introduced for the first time, yeah, it's hectic. Yeah, but okay, they are on final stage preparing. You can see the beautiful flower vessels. You have lighting. So that's the entrance. Yeah, so in order to regulate the movement in and out of the vehicles, yeah, that is it. You can see the beautiful flower paintings around. Yeah, beautiful flowers. You can see the NMS. In Nairobi, Nairobi capital city, and okay, Nairobi was under county, was under, let's say, like the Nairobi county, but now there was some impeachment where the governor was impeached. So this job was moved to the metropolitan unit from the military. Okay, military unit, yeah, was given this work to manage Nairobi, and since these military units have managed the county, we have seen some improvement. We have seen some beautification, recapitation, cleaning of the city everywhere. Yeah. So you can see a beautiful. That's the towers. You have the building, Parliament building. That one looking like that one looking like that's a watch. Then the Kenyatta International Conference Center. That's KCC Tower. Yeah, you can see yeah, just how beautiful the place looks. Yeah, are you seeing, guys, how this place? Then you have some dancers here, like training. Yeah, you can see how this whole place looks. Then I think that big screen there, that will be used for advertisement. So this one you can see at the buses. So those that will be used express lane. Yeah, those one will be used in the express lane. You have West Madaraka, Kikuyu, Rongai, Langata. That's where it come from. The Goreti, Kawangware, Kibera, Ngong. Yeah, so this place. So just look how this place. Yeah. I see how just this beautiful place looks like. Yeah, so you can see around. Yeah, you can see it just around this place. Just something green. And there's this cypress. We call this cypress. These are cypress trees. You can see how it's just beautiful arranged. And when you trim this one, yeah, when you trim it perfectly, you can see how beautiful these ones look. Then green grass around there, water for irrigation, a big screen around. Yeah, so I'm gonna move around and take the picture from this side. That's just beautiful space. I'm gonna cross the other side. No, just so this is some legacy that will be left behind, you know. Doing here, beautiful water. You can see how the place, yeah. So these some legacy that will be left behind, you know. You can see then that way, that's the express highway, yeah, going Silk. Yeah, doing some construction on the express highway, yeah. Yeah, that's green talk because they want to make it green, yeah. Celebrating African, okay, celebrating the nature. Yeah, so this one is in memory of the great environment activist, the late Honorable Wangari Maathai, who won some novels. Yeah, so green, just, yeah, you can see. So these are beautiful sheds where people just have to relax around. Yeah. So I guess that's the end of our tour around the this is the Central Park, or the Green Park. Yeah. So Green Park, they have Central Park somewhere also. Yeah. Thank you guys.